Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on your Samsung phone and return the screen colors to normal. So the easy tutorial is just swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on this moon icon, and this will automatically disable sleep mode and the screen colors will return to normal. And also you can do that via settings. Just open the settings app and scroll down until you see display tab. Simply tap on light and this will automatically disable sleep mode on your Samsung. And now you know why your screen turned black and white, and now you can use sleep mode more efficiently onto your advantage. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.